welcome back to my channel. So today I have this quick cute little unboxing from Pen Boutique. This is a mystery box that they had and I just wanted to open it and share it with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the mystery box. I've never gotten one, but I am an affiliate with Pen Boutique. So if you use Amy B, or if you look down in the description, sorry, I was going to give you my PR code for a different shop. But if you look down in the description, you will find my affiliate link and code. I will earn a small commission, but you will get money off of your purchase. So the time that I'm filming this, they do have it in stock. I will make sure to link it down below if it is still in stock, but let's just get started. So it came with this cute little thank you card. This was I believe a holiday one. So it says happy holidays. And it just says, may the beauty of nature fill your heart with peace and joy throughout the year. And then it says happy writing from the Pen Boutique team. So I really like that. So let's see. What did we get? We got a little candy. And then we'll start with these. So these are little like swatch cards. So you got 3 of them here. Let's see. Just trying to get some stuff out. So it looks like we did get a pen holder here. So let's see, what does it say? This beauty single pen sleeve is made from premium quality chrome tanned cattle leather. It has velvet lining to prevent scratching, and their artisans stitched them neatly with great care. So, okay, so this is from Yak Leather. So it is a pen holder. I don't have one of my fountain pens near me right now, but you just stick a pen down there and it'll keep it safe. I did get this little eraser, which I can always do with erasers because in my journals I do definitely like to do pencil first. And then we are going to do a swatch party, but this is going to be on a different day. So the first one here is from Colorverse, and it is a mini. It is in these, there's only 5 milliliters in it, and I'm not even going to try to say that, but that is the name of the ink. So it's like a dark blue. And then we do have this Lamy bottle. It is 30 milliliters, and I was just trying to see if it had a name, but I don't think it does. But it is, again, it is blue ink. So I do have a couple other inks that I want to do a whole swatching thing. I just didn't want to do it one by one on this video. So those are 2 of the inks we got. And then so we got a Lamy. This is it is a safari, and it has a fine nib. So I'm gonna open this up. So it does come with a little warranty policy here. And it tells you on the back. And then this is aqua, so it is a blue. I have another safari that is a limited edition, and it's called Mango. But on the finial, it has their little like logo. I love that you can kind of see your ink here. It is branded. It is plastic with it feels like a metal pen holder, or pen loop. So this is the Lamy. Again, this is a fine nib. The nice thing about it is they have this cute little thing to block it from the ink cartridge. Sorry, you guys. From the ink cartridge from going in. So it does come with an ink cartridge. You will have to buy a converter if you don't want to use the ink cartridge, and then you kind of just put it back together. So right now I'm gonna leave that there. The Lamy is, you're gonna have to take, so I have not inked up my other one yet, but you're gonna have to take a little bit of time to get used to it, just because it has places where you hold your fingers and it just doesn't feel natural to me. You can post, but I don't normally post. And then this one is a snap top instead of a screw-on. So that is the Lamy, or the Lamy. I've heard it being called a couple different things. I say Lamy or Lamy. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but that is just how I say it at different times if you ask me at different times. Okay, next is Pelican. So I don't know what's actually in here. It says a stolen 3 silver matte. I don't know what that is. So we're just gonna look at it. Ooh, okay. So I like the enclosure. It seems to be, it's kind of nice, but I do like that it has a box over top of it. And it looks like there's 2 pens in here. Okay, that does not come out. And it does not look like they are fountain pens. So, no, they're not. They're rollerball pens. So here's one. It has like this kind of darkish brass color. I don't know how these write. Let me grab one of my notebooks. I got a notebook right next to me. So I am a gel pen girl if I'm not using my fountain pens. So we got black ink, and that does write really nice. My husband will definitely probably like it. And then this is the Pelican. So it comes with this little, like, I don't know what pen this is. This is a Parker. It is very, very, very small, and it says Parker, maybe. I don't think my camera's gonna focus, but so this is a Parker. But this is the Pelican. It is a Stola K16. It's a 3 with silver matte, so it does kind of have like, it has a matte finish, or not a matte finish, it has a matte look. There we go. And it is a twisty pen. How do you write? Okay, so this one seems like it has a bigger nib compared to this one, and it does. So I would say this is probably this one is probably a more 0.7, and this one is probably a more 0.5. So interesting. I'm not, like I said, a big rollerball person. Maybe I'll use one of these as like a giveaway or something, but yeah, I don't know. My husband also likes uses a lot of roller balls like this, ballpoint pens for work, so he might actually end up taking them, which is perfectly fine with me. But I am just gonna go ahead and put these back in here. And then it looks like we have one more pen to open. So this is my first mystery box with Pen Boutique. But I am so happy that I am unboxing it for you guys, especially since I am an affiliate with them. And I really do like their product. And they've normally really fast shipping time, so that is also another good thing. So this is called a Shaeffer. And let's look. Okay, so if you remove the little plastic thing, it's all right. The box seems sturdy, but if you remove the little plastic thing, it does come with a use and care guide, and a lifetime warranty. Let's see. There is no indication on what this pen is. Okay. So it is a red pen, at least. And again, it seems like it might be a gel pen or a Rollerball. Let's take a look here. So it's a push, okay, so I did find it. It's a push cap and it is a 0.7. This is not the pencil, this is a pen. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Shaeffer seems like they have fountain pens, but they have multiple different types. They also sell pencils. Yeah, so I'm not completely sure. But anyway, we're gonna just open you really quick. Okay, yeah, so I think this is a gel pen. Ah, okay. Yes, so this is a gel pen ball. It is a 0.7, and that is all that it has. So I'm glad I opened that up because it did give me a little bit more information. So this is a gel pen, and this is kind of like more my style of pen. I do like gel pens, but I seem to be very particular with my gel pens. So let's open her up again. And got a little trash right there. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. So when okay, there we go. It writes really nice and it's very dark. Okay, so that is one thing, is one of the things I love about gel pens is that gel pens seem sometimes to have a darker color. Like black it's a bolder black. I do like bolder blacks. As you can see, like in the beginning it did skip, but now it doesn't seem to be skipping. Yeah, no, it's not skipping. So that is really nice. You just had to kind of like warm it up. But yeah, I definitely like this pen. This pen I probably will keep. The Lamy I will probably keep. But the Parker and the Pelican, I'm not completely sure I'll keep. But anyway, I hope you like this video. We are going to have a swatch party here soon, because I do have another ink from Pen Boutique that I want to share, and it was a limited edition. Yeah, so I do want to share that one, and I don't want to pull all of my little, like, all my stuff out for 2 and then just have to turn around and do it for 1. So we're going to do it at a later date. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me a comment down below. Are you a gel pen person or a rollerball? I like, my 2 top pens are gel and my fountain pens, because I love my different ink and I love the way my fountain pens write. Roller balls are just not my friend. I'm not a big fan of them. But if you like roller balls and fountain pens, let me know. What do you prefer? Do you prefer, if you have to use a regular pen, do you prefer your gel pen over your roller ball or your roller ball over your gel? Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. All right.